going to look at factorising these. So 7x plus 14. How do you factorise that? Loads of ways to do it. Some of you might just be able to see it. You've 4 different types of factorising. For me, because I'm going to try common factor first, I'm going to put it into the box. And I'm just going to see, what do I multiply here to give me 7x? Will it be 7 times x? And does that kind of work over here? Like, what did these two have in common? So it's a 7. Does that work? Well, multiply it if you want to. So there are my 2 factors that multiply to give me this. Just like, give me 2 factors that multiply to give you 30. Oh, you could say 2 and 15. How do you know you're right? Well, 2 times 15 is 30. So this is not any, like, the concept isn't different to what you did in primary school. Obviously, how we go about it might look a bit different. 45 minus 27k. Into the box. There's only 2 things, so it's a smaller box here. You know, if there was 4 things or 3 things, I might go into this size of a box. Let's just see if this works then. What's 45 made up of? You know, you could say 5 times 9, you could say 15 times 3, etc., etc. So now you're looking at, now that you've looked at the 45, maybe look at the 27k and see, well, what does 45 and the 27k have in common? Do they have 5? No. Do they have 9? Yes. So take out the highest thing in common. They also have 3, but I'm going to go for the highest thing in common. So this by this gives me this, and 9 by what? Minus 3k would give me minus 27k. So my factors are 9 bracket 5 minus 3k. If you're not sure, you could just, you know, go to some rough work, multiply it out and verify your answer. 12ab plus 7b. So into the box again, or you can even just do the box around it if you want. We're looking at what's 12 made up of. It's made up of 3 times 4, 2 times 6. What's a times b made up of? Well, a and b. And then plus 7b. So does the 12 and the 7 have anything in common? No. Does the a, b have anything in common with the b? Yes, a b. So what's this made up of? Here it's made up of b times 12a. And this is made up of 7 times b. So factorising that, 12a plus 7. And if you want to multiply that out, you'll see if you're right or wrong. Y squared minus 9y. Don't know if you're noticing, but this is all the same type of factorising that we're doing so far. We haven't gone on to any of these at all, so hopefully you're finding these okay. Again, put the box around it. What's y squared made up of? It's made up of y by y. What does that have in common with the 9y over here? So y by y minus 9, and you end up at y bracket y minus 9. Hopefully this is making sense to you. I wonder, do you know why you're factorising? Again, I never see the point of being able to do something if I don't know why I want to be able to do it. So hopefully you understand why you're factorising. And if not, think back to primary school. Why did you learn your factorising there? Here, 8 is a number they have in common, but they also have t in common. So that's times a 1, and that's times a minus 40. Does that work? 8t times 1 does give me 8t, and 8t times a minus 4t gives me a minus 32t squared, yes. Yeah. Great. 16gh plus 28gf. Remember, if this doesn't work, then I'll go on to a different type of box, maybe. What does 16 and 28 have in common? I'm going to say 4 is the highest number, maybe. If I'm wrong, I'll change it. And do the letters have anything in common? Yes, they do. So what do I multiply 4g by to get a 16gh? That would be a 4h. Pause the video at any stage if I'm going a bit too fast for you. You don't have to, look at the solution straight away. Obviously, hopefully before now you've tried them, and this is why I'm going a bit faster. 7f. So that's 4g bracket 4h plus 7f. Last one. 21w squared z minus 77wx. What do the numbers have in common? I think 7 goes into both. Is that the highest one? Well, I'm going to try it and see. They both have a w. And that's it so far. So 7w. What do I multiply 7w by to give me a 21w squared z? 7 by 3 is 21 by a w by a z. Minus 7 by what? 11 x. So then you can just write out your factors. 7 bracket 3wz minus 11x.